Class. So in this class we are going to continue with the topic integration. In the last class we had discussed about the basics of integration, that how to integrate any function and the rules for integration we have discussed it. In today's class I'm going to start from example number 3 from your book. It says that find the equation of curve which passes through the point 2, 3 and for which dy by dx is 3x square plus x. In the last class we know very well that how to find y from dy over dx, right? And we just need to apply integration to find out the value of y if dy over dx is given, and we are going to apply the same strategy in this question. It says that dy over dx is equals to 3x square plus x, right? If I arrange it, so it will be dy equals to 3x square plus x times dx, and this dx is present with both of the variables. Now my function is ready to integrate, so I will apply the sign of integration on both sides of my equation. Integral of dy, it's y is equals to integral of x square, it's x cube divided by 3. Integral of x is x square upon 2, and we have plus c. Alright, so if I simplify it more, so that will be 3 and 3 cancel, it x cube plus x square upon 2 plus c. Alright, now that is my equation of curve which we need to find out. But now we need to find out the value of c here, and to find the value of c we have this point to find the value of c. How? The value of x we have it's 2 and the value of y we have it's 3, so I will place the value of y here. Instead of y we have the value is 3 is equals to x is what? It's 2 cube plus 2 square over 2 plus c. Now in this equation only c is unknown, which is easily to find out. So it's 3 is equals to 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square 4 divided by 2 plus c. 2 2s are 4, 8 plus 2 it's 10 plus c equals to 3, and c is negative 7. Alright, once we have the value of c, what we need to do, we need to place this value in this equation. The equation of curve, if I place the value here, so it's y is equals to x cube plus x square over 2, and the value of c we have it's negative 7. Alright, so I hope that you have a good idea that how we attempted this example. And firstly, note down this example in your copy, and you have a time of 60 seconds, so start. Alright, now we are going to attempt similar questions like I explained in this example, and it's question number 7 from same exercise 20.1. It says find the equation of curve which passes through the points 2, minus 2 and 4, 2, and for which dy by dx equals to x square times x minus k, where k is a constant. So we have dy over dx is equals to x square times x minus k. Alright, so first we need to find out the value y here. We need to integrate it first, and then I will explain. So you have a time of 60 seconds to integrate it, and then I will start. So begin. Alright, before start integration, we need to solve the equation. So it's x cube minus x square k. Alright, and that is dy over dx. Firstly, it will be dy equals to x cube minus x square k times dx. And then we can start with the integration. The integral of x cube, it will be x to the power 4 over 4. The integral of k x square, since k is a constant, so it will be k x cube over 3, and we have plus c here, so that is equals to 1. Now there are two unknowns we have. One is k, if I need to highlight it. So k is unknown we have, and c is unknown we have, and similarly we got 2 points, so we can have two equations, right? So firstly I will place the point 2 and minus 2 in this equation. So instead of y it's minus 2, instead of x is 2, minus 2 cube is 8, k over 3 plus c. So 2 power 4 is what? 2 power cube is 8 to the 16. So it's 16 over 4 minus 2 minus 8 over 3k plus c. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So when you shift 4 on the left side, it's minus 2 minus 4 equals to minus 8 over 3k plus c. Minus 6 equals to minus 8k over 3 plus c. Alright, that is my first equation, and if I take LCM here, so LCM is 3, it's minus 8k plus 3c equals to minus 6. 3 when you shift it, it's minus 18 is equals to minus 8k plus 3c. Alright, so if I further arrange my equation, so I can say that 3c minus 8k plus 18 equals to 0. That is my first equation, which I made from the point 2 and minus 2. Alright, so like this, I use the point 2 and minus 2. Now we need to apply the same strategy on the point 4 and 2 here. Alright, so the equation we have, it's y is equals to x4 over 4 minus k x cube over 3 plus c. Instead of x and y, we need to place 4 and 2. So first we need to write down the solution till here and then start the next part. And for the next part, to note it down and to start this one, you have a time of 3 minutes. Alright, so start. Alright, if I place the values here, it will be 2 equals to 4 to the power 4 divided by 4 minus k, 4 to the power cube divided by 3 plus c. 4 and 4 power 4 is cancelled, so it's 4 cube minus 4 cube k over 3 plus c. Now 4 cube is 64, so it's 2 equals to 64 minus 64 k over 3 plus c. If you shift on the left side, it will be minus 62 equals to minus 64 k over 3 plus c. LCM 3 minus 64k plus 3c equals to minus 62. Shift it, so it's minus 186 is equals to minus 64k plus 3c. Alright, now in both of the equation, what I observed that I am getting the value of 3c. Alright, and here we have 3c and here we have 3c, right? So in both equations I will make 3c the subject. So if I make 3c subject here, so 3c is equals to minus 186 and this minus 64, it will be plus 64k equals to 3c, right? And in this equation, if I do the same from this part, so minus 18 as it is, plus minus 8k on the left side is plus 8k equals to 3c. On both sides I have 3c, that means I can equate these two. So it will be this one, minus 18 plus 8k equals to this one, minus 186 plus 64k. What I did, I just solved the simultaneous equation by using the substitution method. Now we can collect k on one side, so this positive 8k on the right side, it will be 64k already present here minus 8k, and on the left side it's minus 18, and when you shift minus 186, it's plus 186. Now we can easily simplify and find out the value of k. 186 minus 18, it leads to 168. 64 minus 8, that is 56k, and 168 divided by 56 leads to k, and the value of k is 3. Alright, and once you got the value of k, you can find out the value of c by using any one of the equation. So let me pick the first one. So it says that minus 18 plus 8k equals to 3c. So it's minus 18 plus 8 times 3 is equals to 3c, minus 18 plus 24 equals to 3c. 24 minus 18 is 6 divided by 3, so we got the value of c is 2. Alright, so what is my main equation here? This one, that is my main equation. Alright, so what I need to do, I need to place the value of k and c here. So it's y is equals to x4 over 4 minus the value of k we got is 3, so it's 3x cube over 3 and c is 2. So final answer is x4 over 4 minus x cube plus 2. That is my final answer. Alright, so it's a lengthy question, right? So you need to note down the solution in your copy, and to note it down complete solution you have a time of 2 minutes, because half of it you have already done it, right? So start. Alright, done. I hope that you have an idea of this question. So moving on to the next question. It's question number 9, and the question says find the equation of the curve which passes through the points 1, 3 and 2, 9 and whose gradient is proportional to x times 2x square minus 3. Alright, Now in this question, the first I'm going to write down the condition. It says that gradient is proportional to x into 2x square minus 3. So what is gradient? Gradient is dy over dx. What is the sign of proportionality? We had discussed or we had studied in the last class. Last class I meant that in class 10, alright, in which we had talked about the topic variations directly or inverse proportion. I hope that you remember. Alright, so gradient is proportional to, and if I multiply this equation, so it's x to x cube minus 3x, right? And we know that when we eliminate the sign of proportionality, so we need to introduce equals to and a constant. 2x cube minus 3x. So that is my equation of dy by dx. We need to find the equation of curve. That means we need to find out the value of y. And to find the value of y, simply we need to apply the integration here. So it is equals to y is equals to the integral of 2x cube. It will be 2x4 divided by 4. The integral of 3x, it will be 3x square upon 2 plus c. Alright, and we need to apply k here as well. So we have k and we have k, which is multiplying here. Alright, so now we have an equation in terms of k and c. There are two unknowns, and similar to the last question, we have 2 points 1, 3 and 2, 9. We need to apply those points one by one. In this equation, we will get two equations to find out the value of k and c by simultaneous equation. Alright, so we had discussed the same question in the last question as well. So you have a time of 4 minutes to complete this question by yourself, and then I will explain. So start. Alright class. So firstly I will pick the point 1 and 3. So instead of y I will place 3 is equals to 2, x is 1, so it will be 2 divided by 4k minus 3 divided by 2k plus c. Right, if I simplify it further, so 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, so it's 3 equals to k over 2 minus 3 over 2 k plus c, and I can take LCM here. So the LCM I got is 2, so it's k minus 3k plus 2c equals to 3. By cross multiplication I will get 6 is equals to k minus 3k, it's minus 2k plus 2c, and I will leave my first equation as it is here. After that I will start with the same method for the point 2 comma 9. So my equation is y is equals to, it's x4 divided by 2k minus 3 over 2 x square k plus c. I will place the point 2 and 9 here, so y is 9, x is 2, 2 power 4 is 16. 16 upon 2k minus 3 over 2, 2 power 2 is 4k plus c. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it's 8k minus 6k plus c equals to 9. 8 minus 6 is 2k plus c equals to 9. Alright, so now I have two equations, 9 equals to 2k plus c and 6 equals to minus 2k plus 2c. So I will write the second equation below the second one. So 6 equals to minus 2k plus 2c, that is my first equation, right? And now these two variables cancels. 9 plus 6, it's 15 equals to 2c plus c, it's 3c, and you get the value of c, that is equals to 5. I hope that you are getting the same value. And once we had the value of c, I can find the value of k by using it in any of the equations. So I will pick the second one. 9 equals to 2k plus c. 9 equals to 2k plus c is what? C is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4 equals to 2k, and you got the value of k, that is 2. The final answer means that we need to place the value of k and c in this equation, right? In this equation I need to place the value of k and c. So it will be equal to y equals to x4 over 2, the value of k is 2, minus 3 over 2 x square k is 2 plus c. C is what? C is 5. And now 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So the final answer I got is x4 minus 3x square plus 5 equals to y. So I hope that you have a clear idea that how to attempt such type of questions. Alright, moving on to the next one. After question number 9, it's question number 11. Given that gradient of the curve is ax minus 3, so gradient of the curve, it means that dy over dx is given, it's ax minus 3, and that the curve passes through the points minus 1, 8 and 3, 4. Find the equation of the curve. Alright, before that we need to find out the value of y, equation of y. So we need to integrate it. So when integrated, it will be y is equals to ax square upon 2 minus 3x plus c. Again a similar simultaneous type question. You have 2 points here. You need to place those points one by one in this equation. So when I place minus 1 and 8 here, so y is 8, x is minus 1 and minus 1 square is 1, minus 3, x is minus 1 plus c. So it's 8 equals to a over 2 plus 3 plus c. If I shift 3 on the left side, 8 minus 3, it's 5 equals to a over 2 plus c. Alright, For my next point, and that is 3 and 4. In the same equation, y is 4, a x is 3 square over 2 minus 3 x is 3 plus c. So its 3 square is 9a over 2 minus 3 3s are 9 plus c equals to 4. Minus 9 when you shift on the left side, it's 9 plus 4 is 13 equals to 9a over 2 plus c. Alright. To make these two equations simple, I will take LCM for both of the equations. So for my first equation, the LCM is 2. It's a plus 2c equals to 5. 2 5s are 10 equals to a plus 2c. Here it is same. LCM is 2. 9a plus 2c equals to 13. When you shift it, 26 equals to 9a plus 2c. That is my second equation. That is my first equation. I will use the first equation. So it's 10 equals to a plus 2c. I am applying the method elimination here. So 2c and 2c cancel. Change the sign. Right? 9 minus a, it's 8a. 26 minus 10, it's 16. And the value of a is 2. Once you have the value of a, I'm using equation number 1, 10 equals to a plus 2c. The value of a we have, it's 2. So 10 minus 2, 8 equals to 2c, and the value of c is 4. Right now you have the value of a and c. The equation of curve, this equation, it will be y equals to a is what? A is 2x square upon 2 minus 3x plus c is 4. Simplify. The final answer is y is equals to x square minus 3x plus 4. Alright, so that is your final answer, and I hope that since it is the same strategy question, I hope that you have an idea, and now you have a time of 3 minutes to note down the solution. So start. Alright, so moving on towards the next question, and it's question number 12. Given that dy by dx is proportional to x square minus 1, we have attempted one similar question of this one. So if I write it, so it will be dy over dx is proportional to x square minus 1, and that y equals to 3 and dy by dx equals to 9 when x equals to 2. Find the value of y when x equals to 3. So firstly I will solve this equation. So dy over dx equals to k times x square minus 1. The same steps we have done in the previous question of directly proportion, and it's dy over dx. I will start the integration. So now it will be y equals to kx cube divided by 3 minus kx plus c. Now we have the values that when y is 3, dy by dx equals to 9, and when x equals to 2. Alright. So starting from this part, we have dy over dx equals to k x square minus 1. Now if you observe closely, we have the value of dy by dx, that is equals to 9. K is unknown. X is what? X is 2. The 2 square is 4 minus 1. So that will be k times 3 equals to 9. So k is 3. Now I got the value of my first unknown. After that I will use this equation. So it's y is equals to kx cube over 3 minus kx plus c. Alright. The value of y, it's 3. The value of k, it's 3. The value of x is 2. Divided by 3 minus k is 3, x is 2 plus c. So by solving this equation, I can easily find out the value of c here. So 3 and 3 cancel, it will be 3 equals to 2 cube is 8 minus 6 plus c. 8 minus 6, it will be 2 plus c, and you got the value of c is 1. So we have the value of k, we have the value of c. Now we need to find the value of y when x is 3. So again in the same equation, we have y is equals to, the value of k is 3 and the value of x now it's 3 power cube whole power 3 minus k is 3, x is 3 as given, and c is, we had find out it's 1. Now it will be 3 and 3 cancel, 3 cube is 27 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 27 minus 9 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. So that is your value y we have. Alright. So I think that is quite enough for today class, and as a homework you need to solve question number 10 of the same exercise. Give it a try and I hope that you can do it easily. So see you next.
Take care and Allah Hafiz.